Very easy. Easy peasy.
Oh, easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Very small. Itsy bitsy.
Our itsy bitsy little secret.
Itsy bitsy. Teeny weeny.
Romantic movie. Chick flick.
Your sister picked some chick flick on demand.
Not that I care. I mean, it's a chick flick.
Alright. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
7 days. 1 week. 14 days. Fortnight. 30 days. 1 month. 12 months. 1 year. 1 year. Anniversary. 10 years. A decade. 25 years. Silver Jubilee. 50 years. Golden Jubilee. 60 years. Diamond Jubilee. 70 years. Platinum Jubilee. 100 years. A century. Brain. Heart. Lungs. Liver. Kidneys. Stomach. Intestines. Pancreas. Bladder. Knickers. Panties. Bra. Bra. Vest. Undershirt. Pants. Underwear. Stockings. Dressing gown. Bathrobe. Phrasal verbs with hang. Hang out. To spend a lot of time in a place with someone.
Come on, you guys, let's hang out.
Hang up. To end a phone conversation.
I'm hanging up now.
Hang on. To wait for a short time.
Hang on a second.
Hang around. To wait or spend some time somewhere.
Finally gonna stop hanging around here?
Hang in there. Do not give up.
I'm coming. Hang in there. Hang in there.
Unripe. Ripe. Overripe. Rotten.